Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to add a printer using the Windows setting app. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Start menu. Then you can search for Settings. Tap to open Settings. Now, from the left menu, click on Bluetooth and Devices. Then select Printers and Scanner. At the top of the page, click the Add Device button. Here you will see, click on Add Device. It will scan for available printers. If your printer is turned on and connected to the same Wi-Fi or connected to with a USB cable, it should appear in the list. If you see your printer, just click on Add Device. If you don't see your printer, then click on Add a new device manually. You will see several options such as searching by IP address, select a shared printer by name, add a Bluetooth wireless or network discoverable printer, add a local printer, or print with manual settings. So I will select my printer is little older, help me find it. So I will click on next. So the all available printers will be shown there. Just choose the printer and click on connect. So now this time no printer will be active. So you can click on stop, then click on cancel. If you can remove the printer, you can just simply click on the printer and it will open all the properties, then click on remove and it will be removed printer successfully. And that's it, you have successfully added a printer in Windows 11 using the setting app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.